Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing and first look of a new QSP penguin that I got. This is the model number QS130-H, and H stands for the blue micarta. All the specifications will be the same like with the previous penguin with brown micarta that I got. So inside the box you have quick information about your knife, which kind of handle materials and steels are used on this one. So this is always good to have a quick reference sheet in my opinion. So let's go quickly to the specifications. So we have a overall length of 18 centimeters, which is 7.6 inches. The blade length is 7.8 centimeters, 3.06 inches. The handle length is 10.2 centimeters, 4 inches. The blade width is 2 centimeters or 6.8 inches. Sorry, 0.8 inches. The blade thickness is 2.8 millimeters or 0.1 inch. The handle thickness is 1.2 centimeters or 0.47 inches. We have a D2 satin polished blade. The handles are denim micarta, which is a natural state, canvas micarta, which is only blasted, not treated with any kind of polishing or oiling. We have non-skeletonized liners, a really nice large lanyard hole, deep carry pocket clip which is reversible. Really nice to see that all users are covered with this model, so left and right carry users. The opening method is with thumb studs. We have copper washers on this one. Nice engagement, sturdy lock, really smooth. We have a really nice functional sheepsfoot blade, visually excellent for all your EDC cutting tasks. So one of really nice versatile blade configurations you can have on your EDC blade. We have a cutout for your liner lock to help with disengaging the lock. The weight comes at 92.7 grams or 3.3 ounces. Let's test out the sharpness. So out of the box, beautifully nice and sharp. Let me give you the pocket profile for this one. So you have a really nice mirror polished pocket clip, and combining with the blue micarta on this one, it will really nicely be hidden. Okay, so let's see a few size comparisons. So here's the Kaiser Baglighter 2, CVV Elementum, which is almost the same size, maybe a hair shorter, is the Elementum. This is a really nice, also nice collection platform if you want to to collect a specific model in different handle scale variants. So both of these knives are actually really nice contender for that, but also Kaiserberg lighter, but these have really a large variety of models, not only colors but also there are different materials like wood. There's a titanium version, there is brass, and so on. Okay, so let's continue. Here is the Kubi Aries Kaiser pinch. Another QSP Pelican. Well, let's continue with Spyderco Delica Bug Vintage Select Small, Kershaw Leak 940 from Benchmade, Benchmade Reptilian Small, CVV Rustic Gent, Kershaw Shuffle 2, Red Model 2, Tuna Fire Free Tiger Model GT or FT 956, let's put it also in the frame, the Rough Rider Peanut, Buck Texas Toothpick, Stockman, and K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter, which is also an excellent EDC lightweight option for your consideration. Okay, so price wise we're looking at around $39.95, depending on where you're buying it from. I strongly suggest to go check out your favorite knife retailer or reseller. They should be available by now all over the world. QSP does make the Penguin model one of the front runners of the line. They, like I mentioned, they have different variants available, different colors, so on. For me personally, I choose to buy these two Micarta variants, which is the brown Micarta and the blue Micarta. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. A big thumbs up to you. If you're not, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to post at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes other stuff regarding my other hobbies and my thoughts about the collecting in general. So yeah, stay tuned for those if you like. That being said, I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Be safe. Have a nice day. Bye.